back, guys. Welcome back to MTVTA. I'm your guys' host, Trent Manager. Welcome back to the Patreon. I'm going to do a quick little video for you guys showing you guys how to sign up for Coinbase. So we're going to dive right into it, not waste any time. First, we're going to click Get Started. We're going to fill out all our KYC information, please. We're going to do first name, last name, email, choose a password, and of course, verify your state. And of course, you got to be 18 and above to create this account. And we will move forward to the next step shortly after you guys fill out all of these. Alrighty, then after the create an account tab, we're going to see a GDPR. Click next on that. Then shortly after, we have to accept our privacies and policies conditions. You should see a screen like this and keep continuing to follow directions. Creating your account, stay in the know. This is just email updates and any sort of notifications that you want sent to your email address. Continue. Verifying your email. Look in your email address, check the spam and the main inbox. It may take a minute or two just for the email verification to get there, but after that is located in your inbox, you can click accept and it'll bring you to the next slide. If the email didn't arrive, you can easily just call it back. Verifying your email address. This comes shortly after the step we just covered, and it makes sure that that email address is active and you are a person. For that, again, we're going to set up our two-way authentication, which is just putting in your main phone number. By country, you can click the drop down and do your country of origin and enter in a valid phone number. This also protects your account from any sort of compromises if anyone were to get your password. Now it's going to send a two-way authentication code to your main number. Look out for that on a text message, and it should come in, I believe, a 8-digit code, but it'll say from Coinbase, so you'll know who it's from. Shortly after that, we are going to go to verify identity. This is where you're going to fill out all your KYC information, basic name, date of birth, street address, and I believe background of investing knowledge. ID type is going to be your driver's license, your national ID card, or a passport, just to make sure you are a valid citizen of the United States, as where Coinbase is hosted. Any of those are completely acceptable. There's an upload method. You can use camera, webcam, or file upload. I believe mobile camera seems to be the best, but file upload is one of also my favorites. Can't really go wrong. You can now move on to the steps of connecting your bank account or a debit card. Adding your bank account or debit card is quite simple. Enter your card information as it is on your card and click add card to your account. And shortly after that, you should see a screen that looks somewhat pretty close to this, listing all the prices, and you should have your account login information for whatever password you chose up in the top right corner. You might need to sign in once again, and then shortly after this, I will have another video coming as to how to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase and send that to an external wallet. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and also if anyone's interested in joining the Patreon, we do technical analysis teachings over there on crypto markets, stock markets, fundamentals, understandings, soon to come blockchain development and smart contract coding and working with dApps. So if you wanted to invest in your education and wanted to check out something new and try to learn something new, you guys are more than welcome to check the Patreon link below in the description. Thanks so much.